All right, guys. Good evening. Nice to reach out to you. This is L Professor. For CoinGecko, claiming your CoinGecko candies, it's actually quite easy. This is not the first interface. If you are just starting out, you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store. I don't know. I'm sure it's there, right? And you download CoinGecko. This is the app, the spelling of the app right on top of your screen there, CoinGecko. You search for it and you download it, then you create an account. So it's since you are coming up new, you sign up. You use your email address, you create a password. They will send a verification email, right? An activation email to that email address that you put in, and you now go there and you approve it. So once you've verified your email, you come back to the CoinGecko app and log in with your email address and the password that you inputted, and it will now open like this. The way you will know that you have successfully logged in, because even without logging in you can still see the interface like this. So the way you know you have logged in, if you look towards the bottom of the screen, the very bottom, you see 5 icons: market, portfolio, search, explore, and more. So when you go to portfolio, like I just did now, you should be able to see something there. I mean, even if you haven't, if you haven't added anything, you won't see anything. Obviously, if you don't have assets, or you are not tracking any asset on your watch list, you won't see anything there. Rather, you see login. So if you see login or sign up or whatsoever, it shows that you have not logged in. But moment it opens up, you'd be able to know that. But moving on, right? So from this interface, market, any interface rather, just look towards the top of your screen, the very top. Right after what they call the status bar. That's where you see your battery, your network signal, and all that, your time. Just below it, the next level below it, where you have something like a notification or alarm bell, then the CoinGecko logo and the CoinGecko written. Next to it, you will see something like a jar that has something inside before the search icon. Click on that jar. It's right at the top of your screen. When you click on the jar, it will now bring you here. So this is it. So, well, I've claimed my CoinGecko on this particular phone, right? So you see that every day you have to come here, you claim day one, claim day two. Now this is day 6. I have to come back in around 6 hours or so. Then if I click on the day 6, I will have extra 60 candies. Then tomorrow when I come back again, I will have 100 candies. I can collect 100 candies. Then it reverses back to day 1, and day 1 is 10 candies, day 2 is 20 candies. So you see that consistency increases the amount of candies that you are eligible for, you have access to, right? If in 6 hours I don't come, I mean in 6 hours when it transitions to day 6 and I don't come on CoinGecko to claim it at all, then the whole 24 hours elapses and I did not pick it up, this whole thing will revert back to day 1. So where I could have claimed 100 candies in one day, I will start afresh again. So this is where, if you miss this whole thing, it's a consistency challenge. If you miss it, you start afresh. But every candy that you've accumulated is going to be there. If you log in that same account on a different phone, it's going to be there. All right. Now you can see I have 2,400 candies here, right? What can I do with these candies? That's the question. You go to browse rewards. You can see it right at the top. So you will see a list of stuff like this. The second one, Black Friday exclusive, 25% off on all Keystone products. So I really don't have much need for it. This is the reason why we are doing this. This one, yes, the current first one, $20 Web3 domain credit from Unstoppable Domains. So when we tap it open, you can see it. Now I have it requires 700 candies. So if you have 700 candies, you can click on redeem now, and you redeem it with the 700 candies. They will deduct the 700 candies from your balance, and they will give you a set of code. Now let me see if I can claim again. I think you cannot claim 2 times in a month or something. There are some rules around it. So I've already redeemed this some time ago, so I don't think I can I can claim it again, right, for now. So that is just the thing. But if you haven't claimed at all, you can claim now. Right under this, under the 700 candies below, like beside the redeem now, where it shows you the price, 700 candies, that was you need. This 44,310 you are seeing is the amount of the vouchers that is still left. So you can keep claiming because you are sure that at least you should have claimed over 700, because 2 weeks you would have claimed to 200 from the last 7th day, where there's 100 candies. There's the following one with 60 candies, 120 plus that. So you see that within 2 weeks, or 2 weeks, and you should have gotten at least 700. A few days ago there was a huge discount on this same deal, where instead of 700 candies you can do it with 400 candies. So you just keep working, just keep coming on, claiming this. It doesn't look like much, but in this particular case now, it's a lot. And more sooner or later, more opportunities used to pop up from this place, single stuff that you might need or you'd have access to, so you can come and, instead of going ahead to go and buy them, because these things are things people can actually buy, things people actually need to buy. So but you can now claim them for free, yeah, or get huge discounts from them. These are all books. You can claim the books. The whole thing goes on down there, so you'll be seeing more and more stuff. So that's just it basically. So it's not a very complex process. I don't see much need. Okay, maybe I'll upload this on YouTube, because I'm sure people will still come in and we can just refer them here. And so that is just it. So welcome to CampGaiad. This is part of our Web3 onboarding challenge. It's not really a challenge, it's an onboarding program. So when you come on, just because one of the ethos of the community is not spending money, so we are looking for interesting ways, cost-effective ways to access some of this decentralized. When you get your unstoppable domain, for example, you use it, it's forever. You own that domain, you don't renew it, you can sell it, you can transfer it, you can build a website on it, it can give you a decentralized domain, you can use it to receive tokens. So it's like your wallet. You can connect it to your wallet address. So anybody that wants to send to you, don't have to be sending the string of address. You just have to send them whatever your Web3 name is. You can use it to claim your Web3 name. So like in the case of mine now, you can see I can say lprof.crypto or lprof. We are going to come up with further videos when enough people have claimed this. We are going to do another video that will show you how, after you've claimed it, right, what you need to do to now forward the voucher, redeem the voucher and send the $20 itself into your account, so that you can now use it to purchase your domain. So at the end, there's a second phase that is coming for this video, but overall, this is how this works. Cheers, guys.